create a custom report, and the report should have this field with below fields. Employee ID, employee first name, employee last name, and employee work location, employees, all time of plans, balance. Okay, simple requirement. ID is required, first name, last name, work location, all the time of plans you have to fetch through the report. Also, time of plan balances, how much ever the employee left. Now, this is about report. Then after this report,
Kiran, your voice is not clear.
is it
No, it's low.
okay? I'll adjust it. Am I audible now? Is it proper? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Yes, yes.
Okay, this report should be available only to managers, and once manager logged in to the tenant, this report output should be available as a worklet. This is my requirement. You have to create a custom report with all these details, and the recipients are managers. I'm telling the clue also. The recipients are managers, and whenever the manager is logged in, automatically this report output should be available to the manager as a worklet. Please remember, here manager is not running the report. Manager is not running the report. Okay. Once the manager logged in, automatically here the report output should be available as a worklet here. Okay. How to do that? You find it. Okay.
Kiran, the number sixth one, right? This if an employee requested 3 days and
Yeah.
I don't think it's there in any of the recordings. I mean, I think I have missed it.
Okay. What's the requirement is, if any employee requests in 3 days and above sick leave, you should ask the employee to attach a document. It's a kind of medical certificate or whatever. Then only you should go for manager. If any employee requests less than 3 days, no documentation is required. Also, an approval is required. No documentation and no approval. Okay. So these are all real-time things what we are discussing here. Troubleshooting, simulating. Sorry, but your voice is chopping, it seems, so I just put on mute. Okay. Then after you have 18 what do you call 18 activities to practice. Initially, I told I'm not sure because my mistake was I'm not taking sessions continuously. 18 activities are there with different scenarios. Handling multiple validations, how to change the eligibility criteria, restore eligibility requirements, define long-term disabilities. Like that, we have around 18 activities. So here, I request everyone practice that. I'll prepare the list. Okay. So, and these are the documents I have loaded. I'm going to share those documents, core business process list and copy of time and absence. I downloaded these two. I'm going to share right away. Along with that, emergency contact. We don't have this field combination Workday. Work location along with the emergency contact, we don't have a delivered field. What you have to do, but client asking you to do this. Behind these fields, work location and emergency contact. Behind the screen, we have a code that is XML. Okay. Now you don't have a delivered field in Workday, so you have to rebuild the field at backend. Okay, you override the simple XML to little complex one, as per the Workday client requirement. Emergency contact, something like that. I don't know how to write the code, but you will edit it. Okay, that's the difference.
Like, can you please find out the proper answer for this one?
Exactly. Sure. But please remind me tomorrow at 3 o'clock around. Me just message me on WhatsApp or SMS. I'll
Sure, sure.
Okay.
And can you just give a example of complex calculated field?
Okay. Complex calculated fields. You're asking another integration related. I have worked much on cal fields. Calculations, if you can ask, I will tell you. Cal fields are not much. Normally, the most complex cal field is multi. Sorry, what is that? Wait, we'll see here anyway. So the most complex one, we have a multi-extract.